welcome to Granny's Storybook channel. I am so glad that you are here, that you decided to join us. And today we have a very nice short story about prepositions. So I hope you enjoy it. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also hit the like button, that will help us a lot. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. The Learning Owl by Sonia Diaz, illustrated by Coraima Vega. Prepositions: behind, under, between, inside. Leo, the learning owl. Prepositions: Leo likes to play hide and seek. Help me find Leo. Can you see him? Where is Leo? Can you see him? Leo is behind the tree. Where is Leo? Can you see him? Leo is inside the box. Where is Leo? Can you see him? Leo is under the blanket. Where is Leo? Can you see him? Leo is between the turtle and the bear. Today we learned about the prepositions behind, inside, under, between. Do you want to play some more?